Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Java by MK. So in the previous part I have explained how API gateway works and how all the requests that comes to API gateway goes to the respective microservices, how we do the routing. So these parts I have explained in the previous part, and also I have explained how we need to register this API gateway. These are all except service registry. All microservices act as a client, Eureka client. So this is the server, and all these microservices are client only. Okay, that's why in the dependency we put Netflix Eureka client. Okay, so so you can see here in this dashboard, Eureka server dashboard, we have this API gateway. Okay, we have this API gateway because we have registered our API gateway to server, Eureka server. Okay, so okay, now moving to his Hystrix dashboard. Okay, 9295. In the API gateway part only, I have explained that what if if user service doesn't work, what if department server doesn't work, what if a request comes to user and department server is down, what will happen? So in that scenario, I have explained that we have a fallback method APIs that will give the response back to the this API gateway that this department is down. Try again later. So you can see here we have user service fallback. User service is taking longer. Please try again after some time. Okay. So we have these are Hystrix part of circuit breaker. You can see that we have this time. We have set the time when after 4000 millisecond we will send the this response. That if that we didn't get the response from the microservice, then we will send the this like this. Okay, so next is Hystrix dashboard. Okay, so so you can, I have this Hystrix dashboard also. So let me quickly go to all the dependencies what we have. So you can see we have this Eureka client, because this also needs to be registered to a Eureka server. So this will be acting as a client, and we have this is the Spring Cloud Starter Netflix History dashboard. This is a primary dependency. Then we have config, and others are just normal one only. So now you see that we have this annotations: enable Hystrix dashboard and enable Eureka client. So these two, enable Eureka clients, anyways it is a primary annotation that we need to enable, and another one is enable Hystrix dashboard. Okay, so once I run this you will see that we have this here also. Okay, we this got registered, and this is the Netflix Eureka server. So these four as of now are registered to this Eureka server. Okay, and this is the server registered service registry for this. Okay, so this in this 8761 all these all these applications microservices are registered. Okay, now I this is when you do so 1 minute. So how we are getting this dashboard, I will explain you. See, this is the local host 9295. So 9295 is the port this where this one is running. So you can see this is 9295 port. This okay. So this is the stream. So let me paste this stream here. And monitor stream. So now you can see that we have department service and user service. So no request are there, that's why it is showing 00. Okay, let me call this. Okay, let me just Okay. So see, user service has become 1 because one request I have just see user numbers are increasing 2. Okay, like this, and we also have departments. Okay, now one thing we can do, we will stop the department service microservice. Okay. Okay, now my department microservice is not working. So see, now you will see that circuit breaker is enabled now. Okay, so let me start with this one. See, right. So now the request, this red one is failure. Okay, so you can see the graph also. Okay, and also user is also calling this one, so you can see. Okay, so you can see that I have kept department microservice. I have stopped this microservice. Okay, so you can see I have stopped department microservice. Okay, now I am running user service. Okay, you can see user service taking longer than expected, and you can see user services are having fallback failure. Okay, so in case of failure, it is still returning the response, but it is fallback response. Okay, so let me also once try with the department one. See, department is taking longer than expected. Please try again later. Again, you can see this is now failure is 100%. Okay, so this way right now you just can see two microservice with less number of APIs. But later on, when we have multiple microservices and lots of APIs, then it will give a very clear picture of what microservices are not working, how we are using this basically circuit breaker is nothing, it's just a way to send a response so that the flow doesn't break. It would be fallback response only, and during at that when I explain Hystrix dashboard in more detail, it will be more clear to everyone how Hystrix dashboard works internally. So thank you for watching.